Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the obvious tracking killers so you can see real change fast. Restart the headset and controllers, then power cycle them for about 10 seconds to clear transient errors. Once done, switch to the Guardian mode that matches your space and confirm you have roughly 1.5 to 2 meters free. Make sure to remove reflective surfaces, bright lamps, and mirrors in the play area because these confuse optical sensors and cause jittery hands. This first cleanup often fixes most problems immediately. Next, you tune the hardware and software that govern tracking quality. Reposition base stations or external cameras roughly 1.5 to 2 meters high, angled inward so their fields overlap across the entire play area. This reduces blind spots. Then change in-game or headset settings, raise IR/LED intensity, and tweak floor offset to correct drift. Make sure USB and Bluetooth connections are solid, swap in fresh batteries for controllers, and update firmware. These steps reduce latency. To finish, run full calibration and lock in a clean reference for your play session. Recenter your position, perform the headset's calibration sequence, and then test slow movements to verify smooth tracking. If available, enable features like asymmetric reprojection or smoothing to mask small jitters without sacrificing responsiveness. Finally, if issues persist, test in another uncluttered room to rule out environmental causes. If still broken, gather logs and contact support. They can use those diagnostics to pinpoint sensor faults or firmware bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.